Okay, so keeping up with our series on the road to 100k in crypto. Today I'm checking my first wallet and it's sitting at $19,167.12. So there's been a bit of a recovery since yesterday. This wallet was down to around 18,800 yesterday. There was a dip in the market, but things have recovered a little bit. Bitcoin is back up to around almost $104,000 per Bitcoin. Ethereum is just shy of $2,600 per Ethereum. XRP is currently sitting at $2.41. Those are my top three holdings in this wallet. I also have some BNB, that's just shy of $700 and $68 worth of XLM. So 19,167 is what our first wallet is sitting at today. Let's take a look at the second wallet. Get that loaded up on screen. And this wallet today is sitting at 17,247. Again, this has made a gain of roughly about $200 that we've regained today after the dip yesterday. And in this one again, I'm holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, a bit of Solana and Cardano here, and Sui, and a little bit of XRP and BNB as well, is what I have in this particular portfolio. So, the market has recovered slightly today, which is good. We like to see those green days. That's what everybody looks forward to as an investor. Those are signs that your money is making money for you. But also, again, just a reminder that what goes down must come up, and what goes up must come down. That's just the way it goes. You don't want to panic when there's a dip in the market. You want to use it as an opportunity to buy more. I bought some more XRP this morning, actually, because XRP is down to $2.40, and I believe it should be above that, because it was sitting around, I believe, $2.60, roughly $2.70, and the projection before the end of the year for XRP is supposed to be about $4 is what's projected. So, and this is not financial advice, I'm just sort of sharing. This is not any advice for you to go and buy XRP or any of these cryptos. I'm just sharing my journey. But XRP is projected to reach $4 by the end of the year. So if that happens, it's going to be great. So I'm gradually dollar cost averaging into XRP right now. That's my main focus with crypto. I've got a decent amount already in Bitcoin. I will also start picking up some Ethereum again, maybe in another couple of months. And I'll just continue to dollar cost average into these cryptos that I hold. And with the goal of getting to 100k. That's what this series is all about. And once we reach 100k, what's going to happen? Maybe we'll shoot for 500k, and then maybe we shoot for 1 million. But let's get to 100k first. Anyway, that's my wallet, my crypto portfolios for today. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to continue to follow this journey, please smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And I'm wishing you success in your crypto journey as well. I hope that your crypto holdings bless you and build wealth for you beyond your wildest dreams. Signing out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.